Moving on to question number 6. So in that again I have two different functions, correct? So this is going to be my y. This is going to be my y. I'm going to take this particular function as u and this particular function as v. Okay. So instead of taking it as u and v, you confuse aguduna, I'll take a different function. I'll name it as p and q. If p is equal to the first function, q is equal to the second function. So this eppadi panna porom? I'm going to take log on both sides. So log p is going to be log of x plus 1 by x to the power x. So in the power x வந்து frontல வரப்போகுது. The x that is on the power is going to come to the front. So what will I have? Taking log p equals x times log of x plus 1 divided by x. So in the uv formula irka, idu u, the whole thing is going to be v. So what is my u? U and the x, so u dash is going to be 1. V is log of x plus 1 by x. What is log of x? It is going to be 1 divided by x. But what is my x? It is d by dx of x plus 1 by x. Okay, but d by dx of x plus 1 by x and d by dx of x plus 1 by x. d by dx of x is going to be 1. d by dx of 1 by x and it is x to the minus 1. The power comes down, so I have minus 1 x to the minus 2. So this is minus 1 divided by x square. Correct? In the derivative you have x to the power n, which is n x to the n minus 1. The power comes down and the power gets reduced by minus 1. Correct? So this is going to be minus 1 divided by x square. So in the particular term aichu. This also I am going to simplify. So what am I going to simplify this? So I have in the LCM I'll have 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x times, inge simplify panikta, it is going to be even more easier. So I am going to do that. I have 1 minus 1 divided by x square. D by dx of idu paniyacha. So now I'll erase this. So I have numerator pochuna x divided by x square plus 1 times inge LCM edutha x square minus 1 divided by x square. So the x and the x square gets cancelled. So what will I be left with? I'll have x square minus 1 divided by x into x square plus 1. Okay. So this is my v dash. We were only finding v dash. So this is my v dash. So what is my formula? V u dash plus u v dash. Product lerka. So what is my final answer going to be? Log p. Log p and differentiate panna poren. So I'll have 1 divided by p times dp by dx. The variable is p. Another you also have to differentiate p with respect to x equals v u dash, which is log of x plus 1 by x times u dash, which is 1 plus u v dash, which is going to be x times v dash. You have x square minus 1 divided by x into x square plus 1. Inge simplify pannadala ennachu, x and the x got cancelled. So what is dp by dx? dp by dx is going to be p times, what is my p? X plus 1 by x to the power x. So x plus 1 by x to the power x times log of x plus 1 by x plus x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. So this is my first term. dp by dx na எழுதிருக்கோம் இவ்வளவு நேரம். Okay. So this is my first term. Here the p comes to the other side. p comes to the other side na this is my p. Okay. Now next term p கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now q. So q is going to be x to the power to the power. Now q is going to be x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So taking log on both sides, I'll have log q equals log of x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by x. So if log both sides edutha enna agum? I'll have log q equals the power comes down. So 1 plus 1 divided by x times log x. So again this is going to be my u, this is going to be my v. So u is 1 plus 1 by x. U dash is going to be 1 order derivative is 0. 1 by x order derivative minus 1 divided by x square. Pona question la dhaan paathom. You can rewrite 1 by x as x to the power minus 1. The power comes down and power gets reduced by minus 1. So I'll have minus 1 to the power minus 2, which is minus 1 divided by x square. Okay. Abdha idu vandhudu. What is my v? V is log x. So v dash and v dash is going to be 1 divided by x. Okay. So now vu dash plus uv dash adhe formula da. So what will I have? Log q derivate panna 1 by q dq by dx equals v u dash, which is minus 1 divided by x square plus uv dash, which is 1 plus 1 by x times log x or derivative enna? It is going to be 1 divided by x. Okay, this simplify panna dq by dx is going to be q times. In the q வந்து இன்னொரு side போகுது. So q which is x to the power 1 plus 1 by x times minus log x divided by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x times 1 by x. Nothing gets cancelled. So what is my final answer? dy by dx equals dp by dx plus dq divided by dx. So final answer எப்படி எழுதலாம்? dp by dx is nothing but x plus 1 by x to the power x of log of x plus 1 by x plus x square minus 1 x square plus 1 x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. This is dp by dx plus dq by dx என்ன இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? I have x to the power 1 plus 1 by x times minus log x divided by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x times 1 by x. Okay, so this is my final answer, dy by dx. Please copy. Please copy. Question number 7. திரும்பவும் ரெண்டு term இருக்கு. So this is my p, this is my q. When I take log on both sides, what will I have? Log p equals log of log x to the power x. So whatever is there in the power comes to the front. So what is my next step? Log p equals x times log of log x. Now this is my u, this is my v. So u and x, so u dash is going to be 1. What is my v? Log of log x. Okay, don't miss the log. ஒரு log மட்டும் எழுதிட்டு log x னு எழுதிராதீங்க. So v dash is going to be log x or derivative is 1 by x, which is 1 by log x. I again have to do d by dx of log x, which is going to be 1 divided by x. So this is my v dash. Formula என்ன? vu dash plus uv dash. So when I substitute, what will I have? Log p or derivative 1 by p dp by dx equals vu dash, which is going to be v என்ன? Log of log x times u dash, which is 1 plus uv dash, which is x into 1 by x log x. So the x and the x will get cancelled. x so x so cancel ஆயிடும். So my final dp by dx is going to be p times, which is log x to the power x times log of log x plus 1 divided by log x. Okay, ரொம்ப simple. By using the logarithmic functions, it is very simple to find the derivative. It is not very difficult. Okay, அதனால mistake பண்ணாம கரெக்ட்டா பண்ணுங்க. What is my q? q is going to be x to the log x. So q is going to be x to the log x. Taking log on both sides, log q is going to be log of x to the power log x. The power comes down. இந்த power முன்னாடி வந்துருமா? So what will I have? Log q equals log x times log x, which is log x the whole square. Correcta? So இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? x square னு இருக்கு. So the 2 comes down, it becomes 2x, but in the x என்ன? It is going to be log x. You have to differentiate the log x also. So இங்க என்ன ஆகும்? 1 by q dq divided by dx equals 2 times log x d by dx of log x. அதையும் பண்ணணும், மறந்துடக்கூடாது. d by dx of log x. So I'll have dq by dx equals 2 times log x times q. இந்த q இந்த பக்கம் வருது. Okay, this q is coming to the other side, so it becomes a multiplication. d by dx of log x is going to be 1 divided by x. இப்போ q என்ன? I have 2 log x times x to the power of log x times 1 divided by x. So when I simplify this, I'll have 2 log x times x to the power of log x minus 1. Correct? இங்க ஒரு x log x இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு x இருக்கு. When I club them, I'll get x to the log x minus 1. Correct? This is my dq divided by dx. இப்போ final answer என்ன? y is going to be dp by dx plus dp by dx plus dq divided by dx. This is my dy by dx. So this is going to be dy by dx is dp by dx என்ன? Final answer எங்க வந்தது? I have log x to the power x of log x plus 1 by log x plus dq by dx, which is 2 log x, x to the log x minus 1. So it is 2 log x times x to the log x minus 1. So this is my final answer, dy by dx. Okay, please copy.